Okay, we're back. This is round 3 with this fish. He's got the first 2 rounds. Keeps breaking it off. We'll see what happens. I think I gotta play him a little easier, let him run, don't pull so hard back. Alright. Okay, I'm not gonna pull, I'm gonna let him run around. I got him. I see 2 fish. I have 2 fish on this thing. Oh my god. Oh my god, I have 2 fish on this. Did one fall off? Oh, I think one fell off. Oh my god, I had 2 fish on this. Nope, I still do. I still have 2 fish on this thing. You gotta be kidding me. Oh my god, this is nuts. No, I can't tell. I think the other one's gone. Alright, he ate the bottom thing, so that's why he stayed on. No, I think the other one was actually going for the cricket. But this isn't the biggie though. This is kind of a small one. Alright, keep running, buddy. I don't want you to break it. You're not the biggie though. Okay, you're a little tangled now, buddy. Take a look. Make sure you guys can see this. Oh, he's still a nice one though, but I don't think he's the biggie though. Nice rainbow. Right in the corner of the mouth with that little guy. Alright, you're out, buddy. Make sure you don't got anything else in your mouth there. You're not the guy. Nice fish, but he's not the biggie. He's not the crazy one.